Today, super on again with each and every one of you. All right, good deal. All right, well, good morning, good afternoon. I think I was muted there. Definitely excited to be back on with each and every one of you. Name is David Imonitie, and super fired up to be on this live opportunity call with each and every one of you. A lot of great things happening right now in our company. The guests that are actually listening, I want to say Happy New Year to you. I hope 2021 has already brought in a lot of joy and happiness for you. And I believe that if you have been thinking about opportunities, if you've been thinking about how you can actually increase your finances this year, that is why you're on this call. I believe in the law of attraction, and you have attracted this call. All right. You've attracted an opportunity that could make a huge difference for you and your family. And the reason why I say could is because it all depends on what you do with the information that you're about to hear right now. I heard the same information you're about to hear 4 years ago, and I took action on that information, and it has produced tremendous results, not just for myself, but for countless amount of people around the world today. So over the next few moments that we spend together, my hope, my belief is that you will see some information that can make a huge difference in your life. And my hope is that at the end, you decide to take it on and take on the challenge and actually go out and create financial freedom for you and your family. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the information here. What will you become? What we will become will be based on decisions that we make. So you've got to make an informed decision. And that's what we're about to give you right now, the information that you need. You know, years ago, I got exposed to information that would transform my life. Robert Kiyosaki, who's the Rich Dad, Poor Dad author, he actually wrote the book Business School as well. And he's a real estate expert, financial expert. He created the cash flow quadrant where he broke down the 4 different areas money was actually created. Most people work for someone else. They exchange their time and their efforts for money. Well, it's a very dangerous place to be if you think about it, because we're all going to run out of time. And you run out of time, you automatically run out of money. So some people say, well, David, I'm self-employed. I work for myself. And I say, well, that's great, but your income is completely dependent on you. If you're not there to provide that job or to do that service, then your income is pretty much obsolete. So what we're going to show you today is really how you can make the shift over to the right side of money and become a business owner, to where now you have the ability to leverage time, leverage the efforts of other people. We have YOE, which is your own efforts, but wealthy people make money on what I call OPE, which is other people's efforts. I would rather have 1% of 100 people's efforts versus 100% of my efforts. That's not my quote. That's J. Paul Getty, who's the first recorded billionaire here in the United States. Now, that doesn't allow you to get freedom, though. It doesn't, because someone still has to go to work, right? Someone still has to produce. Freedom is when you get into that investor mindset, the investor quadrant. The reason why I'm so fired up about what it is that we do is that we've given people an opportunity to create money, to create wealth. But we're also showing people an opportunity to multiply it with having the right mindset. Now, there's so many different ways you can multiply money. You can multiply money in real estate. You can multiply money in the stock market. You can multiply money in the world of Forex. Our company, ladies and gentlemen, we've created an academy where we're going to be teaching people all different types of ways to actually grow money. One of the ways that we've mastered already is in the foreign exchange market. Now, let me give you some background on this. The foreign exchange market, ladies and gentlemen, is the largest financial market in the world today. Anywhere from $5 to $7 trillion every single day is what's traded in the foreign exchange market. Now, I told you our company is doing this in several different lanes. Not only are we going to introduce you to the Forex market, but we're also going to introduce you to the new wave of money, the new form of money. Money is evolving, which is going to be the digital currency financial market, which is now approaching $1 trillion, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to teach you about that. We're also going to teach you about high frequency. This is binary options, where you're able to get into the market, in and out very, very quickly. A lot of people are succeeding utilizing this particular product here that our company actually has. And all the softwares and all the training is only available to our customers, ladies and gentlemen. Christopher Terry, who's the founder and the CEO of this company, saw it fit to start this company 7 years ago. Great vision. He had to empower, enrich, and educate 1 million customers. And we're well on our way to actually doing that. What we've also done is created another vertical with e-commerce, showing people how they can actually start their own online retail store to where they don't have to handle any of the products, but they have a retail store online where people can actually go and purchase products. Shipping is done for them. We actually teach you how to do that as well. Now, what we've done is we figured out a way to make learning simplified. Learning simplified. And what I love about what it is that we've done is that we broke it down into 3 different categories, right? And the first category, ladies and gentlemen, has to do with you learning. This is our Mastery Academy that we've actually put together for Forex, DCX, HFX, and for e-commerce as well. Now, when you go through the Mastery Academy, what you'll find is that these are easy to follow videos that we've actually put together. It's an entire curriculum that takes you through the basics of Forex all the way up to the advanced. We want you to go through that first, because now what we want to do is we want to now funnel you into our live mentorship, where now you can actually go live with an educator, a trader, someone that you know, someone that's been trading for 5, 10, maybe 15 years. And now you get a chance to learn their strategies. You get a chance to learn their techniques. So while you're learning, you still also have an opportunity to learn live with an educator. But get this, you also get a chance to enter into some of the trades that they enter as well. So not only are you learning their strategies, their techniques, how they analyze the markets, while they're trading, you can enter into that same exact trade and profit while they're profiting as well. What we've also done is created another lane for you to be able to profit yourself by giving you the options to take advantage of some of the softwares that we have. We call it Choose Your Weapon. This is where we have the harmonic scanner, we've got the vibrato, we've got levels, we've got pivots. We have all these different strategies and apps that are available to you when now it's suited to your trading style. Now, how are you going to know where your trading style is? By going through the Mastery Academy, by actually getting on the live sessions as well. Now, what we've done is we broke this down into 3 different categories, and there's an opportunity for you to take advantage of all of them, not just HFX, but also DCX, take advantage of Forex, and you also have an opportunity to take advantage of the e-commerce as well. Now, if you went out in the marketplace right now and said, I wanted to get my hands on this service, I wanted to get my hands on this education, you would be paying tens of thousands of dollars. Think about it. We've got a way to actually send you signals where now you have a chance to actually earn while you're actually learning through Swipe Trades or Swipe Coin or Gold Cup. So we have all these softwares at your fingertips, and we're talking about a $235 investment. Or if you're like me, you can actually get the Elite package, $325 that comes with everything. See, if you just started with the Forex package, or if you just started with HFX, if you just started with DCX, it'll be $235. But my recommendation is that you come in at the Elite package where it's $325 and you get all of that. Now, if you say, well, David, I kind of like the drop shipping instead. Guess what? You can start with the drop shipping, $325 there. Your monthly subscription for both of these packages is $275 a month. Now, that's $3,350 over the course of the next 12 months. That's the decision that you're making. Do you see the value in learning a skill set on how to multiply money, whether it's through online retail store or whether it's through the Forex market or digital currency or high frequency? Do you see the value in that for a little over $3,000 or less? And if you're saying, I'm not sure, I want you to ask yourself this question. In the last 5 years, the last 10 years, the amount of money that's flowed through your bank account, how much money have you actually made on it? 9 out of 10 people that I've talked to, the answer has been none. So what if there was a way, what if there was a skill that you could actually learn that would actually teach you how to multiply the money that you currently have right now? Would you want to know about that? Is that something you could see value in? And notice I said $3,000 or less because our company's put together a scholarship program where if you introduce this concept to just 2 people and they decide they want to learn and earn as well, guess what? Your monthly subscription is now completely free. Free. All right. And everybody on this call, you can definitely afford free. So let me do a quick recap of what it is that we have here. We have a 7-year-old company that did over $360 million in sales last year. So this is not a fly-by-night. This is not, we're not trying to figure out, see if this is going to work. You're talking about a company right now that has hundreds of thousands of customers already on the books, and many of them have gone on to become financially free. Many of them, I would say thousands of them have gone on to become financially free. And because of the style of business that we have, which is education, education is always going to be needed. People will always want to learn. And who doesn't want to learn about money? Christopher Terry, Aisha Silatori have put together a concept here that's very simple to follow, where you can actually learn a skill set at your own pace, 5 hours a week, 10 hours a week. And over the next 6, 12, 18 months, develop a skill set on how to multiply money in a $5 to $7 trillion a day financial market, or $1 trillion financial market. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We're going to be introducing stock education. We're going to be introducing real estate education. So we're not stopping just with Forex or cryptocurrency or e-commerce. We're going to continue to expand this academy to help as many people as possible, to empower, enrich, and educate 1 million people on how to earn without having to sell anything, without having to convince anybody to do anything. That's what you have your hands on here today. So what I want you to do is I want you to get back with the person invited you on this call and get yourself started. Now, they're going to share with you how you can actually become an independent business owner. What does that mean? Well, our company is now going to license you the ability to be able to share this concept with other people. And guess what? They'll pay you. They'll pay you for telling people that you're learning a skill set, and do they want to learn it as well? Well, what do they pay you, David? Okay, well, I'll tell you, $25 if they decide to come in at any one of those packages. If they come in at the elite package, it's $50 for every customer that you enroll. But more importantly, you start to earn residual income. Residual income, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the most powerful ways to create wealth. This is where you do something one time, but you get paid on it month after month after month. Our company says 3 customers that you enroll will start paying you $150 every single month in residual income. 12 customers in your business, $600 every single month. Now, when I saw that, I said, man, this is remarkable. Only 12 people. That person's making $600 a month. I saw a study a few years ago where the average bankruptcy could have been saved just with an extra $500 a month. So I said to myself, everybody can do that. And then on top of that, they said, David, you can place people. You can actually sponsor a customer in Alaska and place them underneath someone in the UK. And guess what? That person would count towards their 12 customers. It would count towards their 30 customers, $1,000 a month. 75 customers, $2,000 a month. All right. You have 225 customers in business, $5,000 a month in residual income. I said I couldn't pass up on this. I couldn't pass up the opportunity to not only learn a skill set, have the investor mindset, but also be able to share this with other people. We set a goal that we're going to help 100 people get to the Chairman 10 level, and we did. We set another goal, we're going to help 200 people do it, and we did that as well. Now we have a new goal. We're going to have 1,000 individuals at the Chairman 10 level and above. We're going to have 1 million active customers. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be honest, everybody's not going to win. Everybody that gets started is not going to put the work in to actually learn the skill set. They're not. But let's just say 10% did. Let's say 10% of the 1 million customers that we have actually went out and became financially free. Ladies and gentlemen, that's 100,000 financially free individuals from all different walks of life. Think about the last company that you saw do that. I haven't seen one. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to get back with the person invited you on this call. If you have some questions, ask them those questions. They'll answer them for you. Some of you are going to say, you know what? I just want to be a customer. I just want to learn. Right? Some of you are going to say, you know what? I'll be a customer, but I know 2 people. I'll get it for free. So you say, well, you know what? I'll be a customer, and you know what? I love helping people. And that person, guys, that one is all in. And to you, I want to say cheers. What I want you to do is get back with the person invited you on this call and get yourself started right away. I'm looking forward to working with you. I look forward to seeing you at the top. Remember, what will you become is based on decisions that you make today. The difference between rich and wealthy people, ladies and gentlemen, is very simple. Rich people take advantage of opportunities. Poor-minded people, they pass over opportunities repeatedly. Do not pass this opportunity up. Get started. I look forward to working with you. I'll be back on the call at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time to share this information again. So get started and then invite a few people on so they can hear about what it is that you just heard. We'll see you guys at the top. Good day and God bless.